Good morning. At na lang, open ko lang tong blinds. You okay there? You okay?
Yeah. Okay, I feel this garment.
Good morning. Kaden, oh. Naglalaro na siya kaagad, oh. Hi! Ito yung area ni Kaden, eh. Ang sala namin. Bahala na makalat dyan. Basta masaya si Kaden. No, baby, no? Hi! Hi, ikaw, Koy! Baby ko yan, eh. Hi, ikaw. Hi, good morning.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey. Hey.
Lalaro siya ng ano, Lego.
Oh.
Tapos sinitiran ko siya.
Baby
Kasi malamig daw.
shark.
Siya, ma'am, baby shark. Mamaya, di na naman pantay yung lipstick ko.
Baby shark.
Baby shark yan. Anong kulay ni baby
I
shark?
wanna see the tamarack.
Nasaan na yun siya? Ayun, nandun. Nandito, ayun.
Tamarack?
Opo. Ay, ito, ayun.
Tamarack?
Ayun pala. Ito, baby, yun, no?
What's the name? What's the name dinosaur?
Dominox Rex?
Yeah, Tamarack.
Dominox Rex. Ayun siya.
Ah, there's the real one! Honey,
Ayun siya ng ano,
Yeah.
dinosaur.
yeah. It's the real.
Wow.
It.
Wait lang, baby, gawa na kita ng sandwich, no? Gawa ko siya ng ano, biscuit sandwich, tsaka strawberry. Wait lang. Diyan muna kayo. Parang bagong ano yun, episode. Hindi ko lang ano. Mamaya, hindi akong Woolworths. Kasi Friday ngayon eh. Mamaya siguro pagdating ni Joshua. Kasi parang pangit ng weather ngayon. Ayoko isama si Kaden. Baka umulan eh. Pag nag-Woolworths ako. Ano ba yung weather ngayon? Mamaya nga, tignan ko. Kasi parang ang dilim sa labas eh. Ayaw ni Kaden ng gilid eh. Kaya lagi kong tinatanggal yung gilid nito. Ayaw niya kainin.
I'm not putting white on that. What is the strawberry?
Niwash ko para ano siya, malinis.
Mommy, don't dirty.
Opo. Yeah. Part.
Daughter,
Yeah.
I want the strawberry.
Strawberry one.
I finished the bluey one.
A blue one. So which one would you like? This one or this one?
It have pretty yogurt.
Which one?
With yogurt.
Blippi? No. Which one would you like? Bluey?
I think that's already.
No. Which one?
A strawberry. A
This
strawberry.
one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can open myself.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Ito na yung pagkain niya. Makain na, oh.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Mm.
the
Okay
yogurt.
ka sa kanila, dali.
Hi. You're not cut the strawberry. You're not cut the strawberry.
I did got it.
You're good. Mommy, what?
Kain, yung pagkain ko, tortang talong, tapos rice. Tapos meron ako toyo at saka sili. Kain.
Mm.
Busog ka na? Ha? Busog ka na, kuya? So, ganito. Yung sili dito, hindi masyadong maanghang. Uy! Pumutok yun, ah.
It's too spicy?
Not really.
It's too spicy for you?
No, not really.
Oh,
Not gonna burn.
you want syrup? It's going to burn you?
No.
You want syrup?
No, this one sarap too.
This one, it burn you?
No.
And this one, burn you?
No.
This one food?
Ano daw? Dadaldal si Kaden. Stop.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading, I should catch up on my eating, yeah. But it's hard to keep the thoughts straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should
Yan, siluhan ko.
Ganda. Bibi, tama na yan. Bibi. Tama na yan, Bibi.
Nipis lang to eh.
Drop namin si Mama. Hi! Drop namin siya sa shop. Hello! Nandito yung shoes mo, Bibi, oh. Nandun, oh. Nandoon po. Ayun, oh. Parang umuulan na. Grabe na naman yung lipstick ko.
I want green one.
Ha?
I a baby.
Yeah.
Look, I
Okay,
want
Marla.
green.
Yeah. I know you can do it. Yeah.
Ay.
Ang lamig, no, baby? Ang lamig pa rin.
Huh?
Ang lamig. Opo, malamig, no? Oopsie, sorry. Saan? Tingin? Wow, ang galing-galing naman yan. Ang galing-galing. Marunong na magsapatos.
Go. Go.
Long lamig. Dadalhin mo yan, Pop? Dalhin mo yan?
Yeah.
Maaraw sa labas, baby, ah. No? Na kami, nintay namin si Mama. Dadrop ko siya sa shop nila.
Where's Mama?
Nandiyan na, papunta na, baby. Parang mainit na malamig ngayon, ah. Pa?
Our house, Mommy.
Ayan, baby, oh. Ayan, oh. Parang ganda ng weather.
Mommy.
No?
Mama, how did photo?
May aso.
I want.
Hi, sus! Anong
Salamat po.
I want to see
Dito kami sa shop nila, mama. Hi. Magkulit-kulit, oh. Ano na siya, oh.
Oh, I can do this though. Try.
Anong kinukuha mo doon kanina?
Let me try it.
Oh. It's okay. Hi ka muna.
Hi.
Anong gusto mo sabihin? Sabi mo, hi guys.
Hi, guys. Yeah.
My name.
Kaden.
Gusto niya daw muna bumaba. Sabi niya, punta daw siya sa shop ni mama. Minsan dito yan siya eh. Pag may pasok ako. Dito yan siya, binabantayan ni mama.
Oh, some toy up there.
Pa?
There's toys up there. There's toys up there.
Yeah, there is.
There's toys that Mama's up to.
Yeah. Mama, ang cute naman ang bibi ni mama.
I wanna hold.
Okay.
But don't turn it. Hey, I wanna hold. Hold it.
Kinakain mo naman sila.
Hmm?
Kinakain mo. Smile ka muna, mag-smile. Smile. Mag-dance ka ng soda pop, dali. Na 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 ni na na ni na na ni na. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop, pop pop.
Mommy, I wanna hold. I wanna hold it.
Okay,
I wanna hold the camera.
okay.
Mommy,
Mabuti ba?
I wanna turn.
Turn like that. Lagay mo muna to sa
I
camera.
wanna try too.
Ito, yun, ito.
Huh?
Yan o, ito. Boom.
Mommy,
Lagyan natin sa kamay mo. Baka kasi malaglag. Ito, oh. Lagyan natin sa kamay mo.
okay.
Hello.
I wanna eat
mama. Saan ka punta? Ay, pakita mo yung mga paninda.
cheese. Some cheese.
Kunin mo daw, kunin mo, dali. Kunin mo. Oh. Gusto niya daw ng hotdog. Close mo. Gusto mo yan?
Yeah. Hot dog time.
Hotdog time. You have to pay.
Huh?
You have to pay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need to play Mama.
Gusto niya daw ng hotdog. Kainin mo yung hotdog, bibi koy.
Mama.
Bilin mo, bibi.
Mommy, I wanna pay my hot dog.
Okay.
I wanna pay hot dog.
Meron mo natin.
Oh, I
Wait.
wanna do it. Okay.
Dala ni mama yung aso nila eh. Hi! Ginagawang laruan ni Kaden eh.
Hey,
Bibi, wag mo siya anin, bibi. Baka malaglag siya. Hawakan mo lang siya. Nang
hey,
ganyan.
do you want me to say hi?
Hi, dog. Ano pangalan niya, bibi? Nakalimutan ko.
Oh, he won't.
Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan.
Oh, he has to put that.
Ano, Koji. Koji. Pangalan niya pala Koji.
Jody!
Koji! Wag mo ganyan yung higs.
That's the way. He went like a nail.
Opo.
Mama,
Ang cute ng ano niya. Floppy yan siya eh.
you can't get in the new waffle. You can't get in the more waffle.
Yeah.
Can't get talked in waffle. You can't get waffle. You
No,
can't
it's
get,
okay. Bibi, ano ka lang. Gentle mo lang siya. Baka lang niya pinapalo mo siya.
you can't get,
Malaglag siya, bibi ha. Oh.
you can't get them in talked in there.
No, it's okay.
Oh.
Palaihi pa to kasi ano to eh. 6 weeks pa lang ata tong tuta na to.
Mommy, hold him. Hold him, Mommy.
Okay.
Here you go, Mommy.
Kawawa naman to.
It's not time
6 weeks
for
pa lang to siya eh.
He's sick. I wanna hold
Lapi eh.
Mommy, I wanna hold him. I wanna hold it.
Hindi, dito ka lang, dali. Magsit ako.
Oh,
Cute-cute na ito eh.
like it? Like, oh, the camera. The other way. The other way. Mommy?
Ito.
Okay. This one tall white short. And this one white.
Pangalan niya, baby, ay,
Oh,
Koji.
Cotty. Oh, I need to turn up him in. Hey guys, I need to go. Sati.
Oh, hindi siya nakita.
Oh.
Ganun mo na lang.
Sati. Ha? Oh, Sati.
Koji.
Sati.
Koji.
Cotty.
Koji.
Oh, wow. Oh, let's see hide.
Mamagay siya. Hi, my name is Koji.
Say hi.
Baby pa to eh.
Look at the baby. I wanna see Soot.
Yung susus nandoon.
Oh, he there? He's not naughty.
It's in the trolley.
He's in the trolley. He's not naughty. He's not naughty in there. Let's see. Hey, go check. Oh, hi, Soot. Soot is not in the trolley.
It's not in the trolley?
Yes, he's laying down. He wants the red.
Yeah, it's okay.
See, mommy, see him.
No, it's okay. I wanna sit here.
Mommy, he's right there.
He's right there.
Yes, he right.
Go say hi. Say hi.
His what is not in the trolley. He's in there. He's there. He's in there. He's one. He's not in the trolley. Oh, I want to go.
Bahay na kami. Opo. Bumili kami ng makas. Bumili lang ako kasi kayo ng Happy Meal niya. Tapos bumili na ako ng chips. Opo, sige po. Ng chips. Para sa akin. Kain. Bumili ako sa shop nila ng saba. Tapos longganisa. Tsaka daing. Hotdog. Parang gusto ko ulamin ito mamaya. Ay, ito. Ang lamis ko magdaing eh. Sige, kain ka muna.
I want French fries.
Yeah. Oops. May place ka dun sa loob ng Happy Meal mo. Sabi mo kain.
Kain.
Batman ni mama. Oh, nandyan oh. Batman ikaw? Suot-suot mo naman ito. Hindi, come here. Nagluto ako ng ng hotdog. Saka yung longganisa. Ano yung gusto mong kainin? Anong gusto mo kainin? Anong gusto mo kainin?
I want to eat right in hot dog. Ooh, hot dog.
Opo, lutuin ko na.
It's not cold?
Ala, gusto ko rin magluto ng daing. Magdaing ako ng isang peraso. Cute na ito. Sumakas. Ang cute na ito, baby ah.
Huh?
Ang cute.
Mommy.
Uy, pwede siya buksan. Uy, baby, meron. May laman.
Huh? Hello? I wanna see.
May laman siya sa loob.
Take your phone in my face. Take your phone here.
Pwede mo ata idikit dyan.
Huh?
Idikit mo dyan.
Hot in my face.
No, dito.
Dito.
Opo.
In the Happy Meal.
Opo.
It's going here.
Nagluto na ako ng hotdog. Pagkatapos niyan, lulutuin ko to. Daing. Ano lang, madalian lang yung ulam namin ngayon. Kasi Friday naman ngayon. Smell good?
No.
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 Kain. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I got my dinosaur.
Mm-hmm.
How is yours? Oh, I got one.
Sarap.
Eh! Oh.
What is it?
I want to turn it. I want to turn it video on like this.
Like that?
I want to turn. Hi.
Sabi mo Batman ka?
iPad na. You too?
Opo.
Me too.
You too? That's good.
You can't get it in here.
Ayun na ako. Galing akong Woolworths eh. Ihol ko yung mga pinamili ko para maayos ko na. Biglang umulan. Biglang umulan, baby. Ang lamig.
Then
No, it's okay.
get the
Ihol ko yung mga
water.
pinamili.
Get the water. Oh, put
Bumili
some
ako ng
water here.
juice ni Kaden. Ito, yung mo. Favorite ni Kaden. Dark wet. Bumili ako ng kiwi. Strawberry para kay Kaden. Mandarin. Banana. Avocado. Dalawang talong. Ang liit ng talong oh. Yung beans. Cooking oil. Dalawang full cream milk. Yung kinuha ko yung A2 tsaka yung bread and butter. Bumili ako nito. I-try ko to. Yung coconut water and lychee. Tapos ano to sila? Sale. Egg. Hindi yan coffee?
Huh?
Hindi yan coffee.
Apple mango?
Dalawang pine mango. Nabigay ko sa'yo.
Huh?
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste for me. Toothpaste for me?
Tsaka toothpaste ni Joshua.
For
Rexona niya.
oh, that's for not getting
For
fired.
daddy.
Daddy.
Cooking oil.
Oops. I dropped a copy. I dropped it.
Red.
I dropped the other copy.
It's okay.
Give it to me.
Sun.
And then
Ito pa rin. Ito.
what? Some Milo.
Show mo dali. Milo. Aioli.
Fake.
Ang pabango sa kahay ko. Foundation.
Do you want?
Hash brown. Pork. Yakult for Kaden.
Red Roach. Look for me. You're not Maggie.
Eggs.
Wow.
Dito.
Cheese.
Mozzarella cheese. Lasagna. Yan oh.
There's some more.
Ano namin to sa Sunday? Oops. Wala na, baby. Ayusin ko na to.
You need some more?
Nga po.
Let me get some more.
Natulungan ako ni Kaden, oh, mag-ayos. Ito, dalawa na lang nandun. Ito ko sana bumili ng marami. Kaso wala, dalawa lang natira. Gusto mo Yakult?
Milk in a drink.
Oh, ilagay mo doon, baby, yung milk. Ito, ilagay mo to doon. Doon, sa drawer. Ito yung milk. Yung yung Yakult sa rep yan, sa fridge.
Oh, in a drink.
Yeah. Gusto mo kumain? Gusto mo kumain? Nagkain nga ako nito. You tired? Kain tayo nito. Matamis to eh.
Okay. I fed you.
Sige. Dito.
Kiwi,
sarap.
nice.
Tamis.
Some honey.
Opo.
Sabaw?
Hindi. So sarap.
Sabaw?
Sarap.
Not good?
Sarap na ito.
Not good? Mommy.
Ikaw. Sarap, no?
I love it.
Yeah.
Oh, I need a pool, a baby.
This one.
Oh, yeah.
Yung anak ko. Ang tamis na ito. Bebe. Bebe. I love you.
I trying to get
Bebe,
the-
bebe, tingnan mo, bebe. I love you.
I love you. I trying
Mahal kita.
Makita. I'm trying to get the orange.
Ay. I'm trying to get the orange.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, okay, I want to get one. I want to okay. Oh, mommy. Is it that way? That way. My, I want to get it. I want to try it myself.
Love ko tong batang to eh.
I want to try it myself.
Mahaba na yung buhok niya. Ayaw niya nagpagupit. Papabain ko na lang tong buhok niya. Kasi takot to sa gunting eh.
Mommy,
Po.
cut it.
Hindi, buksan. Buksan na lang.
Oh, I want to try that too.
Ano siya?
Oh.
Hala, hindi ganyan. Hala! Mali yung ginawa. Ganto.
Ganto. I want.
Ganto.
I want.
Ganto.
One for you, mommy.
Ginto.
I want for me.